Hi friends, this is Sohi. Today we are going to learn how to print the report from CheckTime software. In the last few videos we have learned how to add the employee, how to add the timetable, how to assign the timetable to the employees. So today we are going to learn how to print the report in the CheckTime software. First open your CheckTime software. Then after that you go to a report, select the department, select the date from and to which date you want to print the report. Then go to department. After department you can select one employee who you want print, or you can select multiple. If you want to select all everyone, just click this green check sign, so you can select all employee. Then you click the query button. Once you click the query button, just wait for a while. System will calculate the report for you according to your setting, what you had set in the timetable, all those things. Our report is ready. We have daily attendance, detailed attendance, summary, overtime, late and early, absent, basic report, and allowance report. So salary report is completely optional. Today we are going to learn about the time attendance reports. So we go to daily attendance first. So system will calculate the report. Then you can go from here. You can view size which you want. You can see this is the report. If I go back to the whole page, you can see whole page. Page width, you can fill the full page width. Then you can see here the employee name, employee ID, their department, what date we calculate to from date, and this is the date. And here you can see their schedule time decided by company, and this is actual what time they are checking out. So you can see here the 7 minute is showing late, 6 minute, 18 minute late. So this is a decided time. This is because of allowance. We have the 5 minute allowance here. So until 5 minute is not showing you late. After 5 minute, then only it will going to show you the late in the timetable setting. So after this, you can see check-in time, late. If people go for rest, then you can see the rest time. Then last checkout, total working hour, overtime in the overtime if we have any overtime. So this is full report. Then last, the summary of the report, how many working day total, working hour, normal overtime, weekend overtime means your off day overtime, public holiday overtime, late minute, how many totally late, early out, all the leave information. So this is a report. You can export this report directly from here, Excel, PDF or Word, whichever format you want. And you can choose this report different format. If you want with double break, then you just view. So you have two rest time. So you can choose with the one break, two tea break means three break, two break and two tea break means four break, no break with temperature. If you're using temperature device, then you can choose this device with temperature report. So you can see here the temperature. In here you can see temperature out if you have temperature device. If you don't have, without break also you can go, just without break. System will automatically refresh you without break. So normal by default is with one break. So this is how you want to export. Just go here, Excel or PDF, whichever you want, you can export and give the name where you want to save. So here is the one employee, next, next, all these employee you can view from here. Once you export, is all already exported in the PDF. So we can go out from here. If I go from here, just now we export, this is the report. So here is the report what we exported. So from first employee, second employee, third employee, all this you can see here. The third employee is showing you late, how is the timetable according to, and if people don't have the checkout, it shows you checkout missing here. If they don't have check-in, it shows you check-in missing in the report. So this is how you can print the different employee, all the reports you can print directly from here. So after this we go to the reports. Then now you don't need to be recalculate anything, just go to detail attendance. So you have the detail attendance report. In the detail attendance you can see here their schedule name and check-in time, late, break start, what time they and break end, total break hour, early out if anything, total working checkout, total working hour and overtime, same thing. So in the detail report you have more detail about normal day overtime, weekend overtime and public holiday overtime, and what time the break start, what time the break end. So the same you can go next employee, next employee, next employee, how many, all the employee, just you can go from here. After this you can see at the last and end of the report is total working hour, how many working day, everything, and if any public holiday you can see the public holiday for the report. Same this report also you can export to Excel or PDF, whichever you want. I just export to PDF. So one shot you can export how many employee you already selected, it will export for those employee. This report also have the few format. You want print with different double break, single break, no break, or you can print from clicking by view. Now we move to the summary report. Just go to summary report. In the summary report is not showing you every day, it's just showing you the total summary of the what date to what date you choose. So you can go from here. This is the total summary. Schedule day, how many schedule they have to work, actual working day, total schedule working hour and actual working hour, if they absent and late, all those things is showing you here. So this report also you can export to Excel or PDF, whichever format you want, directly from here. Now we go to overtime. In the overtime report it just shows you the overtime only if somebody have the overtime. You can see here this employee have 2 hour overtime, it shows you the overtime. And after this we go to the late and early out. Just click here, you can see late by employee. You want to view all, just go click here on top small tab, all, show you everybody here. You can export this data to the Excel, and this data same you can export to Excel or PDF, whichever format you want. So after this we go to the absent report. This is the absent report for the people who is absent for what date, all the employees here, their name and a date. After this we go to basic report. Basic report more to be the all this report is here, so you can export this report to Excel, or if we have another two format you can just go from here, report one format to print in the different way. To printing the report means some one of the additional format, sometimes people want more detail or something. Then another is the just only for check-in and check-out total working hour. So like this data also you can export to Excel directly from here. Then after this is the report how you can print the time attendance report from the check time software. Other reports we have leave report, you can check your leave report here. Same thing, just clicking by here, select the date, select the employee, whoever from on the leave, you can check leave if any employee is here. So other report, in out report, you can check from here. If I go by the employee, you can select few employee or all employee, is up to you. In out means how many times your employees check in and check out. So first is check in, then check out, then check in again, check out, something like this. This employee check in here, check out here, and check in again in the evening time. So this report also you can export to Excel. Last of this report you can see total hour, how many hours they are in the company. So after this we go to the on duty status report. This report you can check what date, how many employees working and how many is absent. Or just we go for any date query. So you can see this date, this one employee is not working, one employee not on duty, 23 on duty. So this report also you can export to Excel, and this all you can save as image to make your presentation or something. After this, attendance record is completely raw data report. This data all direct come from the device without filtering with any timetable. You want to counter verify with any employee that they are present or not present, and how many times they scan, 1 time, 2 time or 6 time, 10 time, all is show you in the raw data report. So you can see here the employee ID, employee name, date, serial number, the device, check-in and verify state, how this scanning with the, this is coming from the machine. If you set inside the setting is face, fingerprint, all is come to the, and if the other detail, mask, temperature, GPS data, location, this all depend on your software how your setting is going on. So this report also you can export to Excel. So this is how we print all the reports from the CheckTime software. Thanks for watching.
Get your CheckTime biometric system today. For more info, visit our website www.check-time.com.